Hi, I'm Corey Adams with Paradise Lights here in sunny Naples, Florida, and today we're doing a landscape lighting makeover. Check it out. Hi, I'm Corey, the owner of Paradise Lights here in sunny and chilly Naples, Florida today. Today's video, we are going to be covering a landscape lighting makeover. So this particular instance, the customer called and they had some issues with an existing system that they had already put in. The lights weren't working, some of them were broke, some of them needed new placement. So we came out and we were able to evaluate, come up with a game plan, and that's what we're doing today. So let me take you through the process when we came out to evaluate with the customer. On this particular tree, the uplight that they had in place, which was this current light right here, it wasn't even lighting up any of this palm tree because it was buried inside of this bush, probably from when they originally did the first landscaping. So at the time it was doing its job, but what we elected to do was to grab a 18-inch extender and put this same light that they currently had, and we put it on an extender to get it up over the bushes so that even as this bush continues to grow, it's going to continue to do its job, and the customer's going to be happy when they're coming home at night seeing their light on their trees. We had this scenario on a couple trees actually, one here and then one on the other side of the property. And what we had was we had an existing fixture. So this again was already in place. However, it was buried right here and it was never going to be able to shine light up there. So to solve that, we actually moved it here and then we used the tree mount. This doesn't hurt the tree at all. It's only in there just about an inch into this palm tree, and it also grows with the tree, but we're able to get this tree over these bushes. So even as these bushes grow, this light's still gonna shine up. It's gonna hit some of this tree trunk, and it's also gonna catch the fronds. Now that we have the front covered, we're gonna go ahead and walk our way around the back. There's some issues back there that we had to resolve. And also just some upgrades that the customer wanted to make because they wanted to replace their old transformers. And the purpose of a transformer, this plugs into an existing outlet, which is what gets you your power. So this is what gets you your power. And then the landscape lighting wires will wire into this, which is what converts it down to low voltage, which makes it very efficient on your bill. So what we did is we removed the old one. And then as you can see, as you come over here, we've replaced it with a brand new shiny transformer here, and we've got all of our wire hooked up, and we'll just continue to test our lights as they go. All of our transformers have a lifetime warranty, so this customer is gonna get a lot of use out of this for a long time. In Florida, you always gotta worry about gators while we're by the water, but always take a quick peek and just make sure we're not gonna have anything. But this particular light was just broke. Something had fell, probably a coconut had fell and broke the light. And so we just replaced it with a new one, and we'll make sure that it's in a good position. It's in there good, bury the wire, and this one will be working good for a long time. We have this last coconut palm here, and the light was buried down here in the bottom of this, and it wasn't shining at all. So what we elected to do was to put it on a tree mount like we did earlier, and we'll connect this wire to the tree and hide it. So what we decided to do was to put this existing fixture here on a tree mount that's out of these Calusa bushes here, and is going to continue to shine up, and we'll trim this back just a little bit. That's also something that we do as part of a maintenance package that we offer, and a lot of times just come back and trim stuff back to make sure that the lighting's doing its job. But this is going to be a great outcome considering it was buried in the bushes and wasn't working at all. And lastly, what we have is on this side of the house, we have a new transformer. Also, this property is requiring 2 transformers to power all of the different lights, which Elixon is over here finishing up right now. We're putting another 300-watt transformer in and getting rid of this old heavy thing here, and we're gonna add a new. Please subscribe and like today's video, and also leave us a comment for more things that you'd like to see.